guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Victoria's Videos. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Kawaii Slime Company subscription box. So, this month's subscription box theme is Pineapple Palooza, and you can read all it includes. So, first off, it came with a slime softener and a slime activator. Then it came with a Kawaii Slime Company slime guide with information about slime. And then it came with this pineapple keychain. It's kind of like a squishy. It's like a stress ball. And it came with this flamingo pen. And it's a really fine tip. And I also got this really realistic pineapple charm. It looks really cool. And I got some of these iridescent flakes, atoms. Now let's get to the two slimes. So first off, I'm going to start out with Flamingo Pink Sleigh Butter Slime. This is a 5 ounce. It looks like it kind of leaked. They must have kind of overfilled it. The slime kind of smells like a cherry vanilla. I don't know. Something like that. And this is a sleigh slime. Sleigh batter, right, folks? And it's a very vibrant pink. The slime is very nice. This slime is called Pineapple Punch Crunch Bingsu slime. This slime kind of smells like a pina colada pineapple scent. This slime looks very pretty. So this is a green bingsu bead slime, and it has some pink sprinkles and some pineapple Fimo slices. This is a very nice slime. It makes a lot of crunch noises. Bye guys, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you when we make a new video. Bye.